Hello there everyone, G-Mech again, back with another video. If on your push mower and it has the handle, which mostly all of them do, that's the safety for like if you trip and fall, the mower will automatically shut off. Well, if you have where this moves like this and it's real easy and then you can't start the mower, and when you pull the rope it don't want to pull and it pulls really hard, and obviously it won't start as well, more than likely your cable is busted off. Real simple and basic. You can pick up that cable easily on Amazon, eBay, give a perk out for them. And what that does, it controls this right here, makes that move like that. When you pull on that, releases the shut off and releases the engine brake. That shuts the mower off. Simple, quick tip here. Just thought I'd pass that on. Remember, like, subscribe, and remember, keep on wrenching.